Hi teacher, this is the grading session. Here we go. Oh, this happens always. The Mario statue, more than perfect. Yes, perfectly giant, such monument. Hi everybody, how are you? Hi Ash, why are you here? I'm here to learn about this statue and to catch new Pokemons. What about a quiz time? Yes, I want. Start now. Who created this monument? Sir Loco Pantoja and Dimebag Darrell bought it. Yes, why this statue is important for the world? Because it represents the culture of video games and Scotland. It's near to a castle, just as a video game. Castles are typical from Scotland. It looks like Metal Mario, but it's a silver statue. But it's a Mario silver statue. It's 13 meters tall. The last one. Where is it located? I've already said in Scotland. Mission passed. Plus respect. Clink, clink. Congrats, you passed the quiz. Yay! Thanks, guys. Have a good day. Okay, teacher. There it was. Thank you for watching. Bye.